Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings option and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. Here, select the option called the sounds, then tap on the volume. And right here we can adjust the sound volumes for the voice and system. To do it, simply tap on the speaker icons right here on the right and left side of the slider to increase or decrease the sound volume. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. One thing I forgot to mention though is that you can also mute the sounds if you want to by tapping on the mute button right here. Okay, now let's press the back button like this, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.